Looking to spruce up your fireplace mantle? Here are 5 creative ways to decorate it for every season and beyond. 1. Seasonal splendor. Embrace the seasons with themed decor. For fall, try pumpkins and leaves. For winter, add snowflakes and cozy blankets. 2. Symmetrical style. Create balance with matching elements. Use pairs of items like vases or candles to achieve a harmonious look. 3. Color coordination. Choose a color scheme that complements your room. Stick to 2 to 3 colors for a clean, unified appearance. 4. Personal touches. Incorporate items that tell your story, like family photos or souvenirs. It makes your mantle uniquely yours. 5. Mix heights and textures. Add interest by varying the heights and textures of your decor. Combine tall mirrors with low candles and textured vases. Decorating your mantle is all about creativity and personal style. Share your favorite mantle decor ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more decorating tips.